The AI revolution is shattering records, reshaping crypto like never before. It's the bull cycle's top narrative, and it's setting fire across the board. Nvidia's market cap ripped way past $4 trillion thanks to global demand for AI chips. This isn't just a tech trend. AI and blockchain are taking over. We're in the strongest crypto market yet, with regulations starting to take shape and institutions investing billions. Crypto ETFs have pulled in over $1 trillion this year alone, while the total crypto market cap broke past $4 trillion. Altcoins are starting to gain traction, and it's gonna be all eyes on AI. No pun intended. We're charging full speed ahead. Isomorphic Labs announced that AI-designed drugs are entering human trials, accelerating drug discovery for cancer and neurological diseases. Google unveiled Alpha Genome, an AI model decoding DNA and revolutionizing disease forecasting in conditions like cancer. Billions and billions of dollars are flowing into AI. Meta just invested $14.3 billion in Scale AI and also snatched up their CEO. And Thinking Machine raised a whopping $2 billion, showing us just how fierce the competition is for money and talent in AI. On top of all of that, quantum computing continues to hit breakthroughs to push the tech even further. And a lot of these advancements apply to crypto. Grayscale recognized AI as an official crypto sector, tracking 24 tokens worth billions and billions in terms of market cap. The report shows that AI is the leading narrative, and by a big margin. So institutions are paying attention, and venture capital funding is flying too, with almost $1.4 billion invested in the first half of 2025. User bases are doubling, and this space is showing major growth. If you're trying to stay ahead of all of this innovation and want deeper access to real-time analysis, portfolio strategies, and my top crypto insights, then make sure to check out the FireHustle VIP Discord. I'm in there every day working with the community and my team to break down narratives like this and help navigate the space. The link is down below if you want to join us. And if we go one step deeper into the AI world, then there's no way you can miss DePIN, or decentralized physical infrastructure networks. These networks provide the physical infrastructure that AI needs to scale: servers, GPUs, bandwidth, and more. AI needs intense compute power for training models and executing them. DePINs source this power from all over the world, lowering costs and improving efficiency. As AI grows, DePINs grow too. You can't have one without the other. This creates real utility and value, and as AI gets bigger, DePINs are positioned to support that growth. One project in this space that's making waves is Mawari. Mawari is an extended reality, or XR, infrastructure company focused on delivering real-time, high-quality 3D content to devices, even ones with limited processing power. They're combining DePIN, edge computing, and blockchain to support the next wave of immersive applications like AR, VR, and mixed reality experiences. The Mawari team has been developing for over 8 years and has a patented streaming technology that reduces bandwidth usage by up to 80%, making it efficient and scalable. Investors like 1KX, Samsung Next, Animoca Brands, and Borderless Capital support the project, and they've been audited by Halborn and Gunberg. Mawari has worked with major brands like Netflix, BMW, T-Mobile, and KDDI, streaming over 50,000 hours of content and generating $5 million in annual revenue. So they're already showing real-world demand. Before I talk about how you can get involved, here's a quick reminder. I am not a financial advisor, and this video is meant for educational purposes only. I'm sharing my experiences with you, and I might even entertain you along the way. Crypto investments are high risk. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With that being said, let's talk about the offering. Mawari's decentralized infrastructure offering, or DIO, just kicked off, and if you're in an eligible region, you can get involved in by helping them power the immersive XR tech. Over 140,000 Guardian node licenses have already been claimed at the first price of $333 each, backed by major players like Qualcomm and Japanese telecom giants KDDI. If you're interested, you can join Mawari's compute network and contribute to its infrastructure while getting rewards for keeping it running smoothly. By running a Guardian node, you help keep the network strong by monitoring streaming quality and uptime, getting a share of the 20% of the network's total utility rewards pool, plus bonus rewards if you maintain consistent performance in the early stages. You can choose from 3 node types to match your approach. Visionary nodes prioritize long-term rewards. They give you 72% of the network rewards share, but with a smaller amount upfront. Balanced nodes give you 500 tokens upfront and 16% of network rewards. Catalyst nodes give 1,000 tokens upfront with 11% of network rewards. rewards. It's all about real contributions, not hype, with rewards linked to your node's performance in supporting the network. To get involved, check your eligibility at nodes.mawari.net. And if you're in the US, visit Republic's platform. Use the discount code FireHustle for 5% off node licenses while they're available, but make sure you're in an eligible region. I've put all the links down below. Guardian nodes are central to Mawari's network. Unlike most of the crypto nodes that we've seen just sit idle, these are active validators of the immersive internet, monitoring streaming quality, latency, and jitter in real time. If you're an operator, you're actually contributing by ensuring uptime with your hardware. All it takes is a basic device with a simple internet connection to run the node, and you get rewarded based on performance. The data is logged on-chain for transparency and trust. This contribute to earn model prioritizes real work. You're not just passively holding this node. And there's 140,000 nodes already committed. You can either run nodes yourself or delegate to a node as a service provider like Deepin Hub. But with all of these node projects out there, what sets Mawari apart? Well, the project is already grounded in real demand and not just promises of future potential. They have $17 million of funding and partnerships with big players like KDDI and Netflix. The DIO is structured transparently with flat pricing. There's no node tiers here that are just designed to give you FOMO and put more towards the project. And what makes this really cool is the fact that it's the first US regulated node offering. They've put everything together with IPO level due diligence through Republic. The focus is on putting AI and extended reality together, a niche with growing potential as the XR market is projected to reach trillions by 2035. Here's how all of this works in practice. The DIO gives us all the opportunity to use hardware to support Mawari's next-gen infrastructure. You run a Guardian node, validate streaming quality, ensure uptime, and benefit from the network's 20% reward pool, which is split based on your node type being either visionary, balanced, or catalyst. If you're an early adopter who maintains steady uptime with your node, then you can get fixed bonus rewards in the initial phase. All of this supports real-world use cases, like Netflix's immersive content or BMW's virtual showrooms. It's a niche that's positioned for growth. And for all my crypto bros, here's another angle. Guardian nodes ensure network integrity. They monitor and confirm performance details like streaming quality and speed, recording them transparently on the blockchain to keep the network reliable and power immersive apps like AR and VR. This launch wasn't really about hype for the future. You'll be delivering infrastructure for real-time AI and XR applications from the start. Rewards are directly tied to performance, not just based on the time you hold this node. The project's momentum is strong. Before this public launch, Mawari's private round attracted $45 million worth of nodes committed from early supporters, including GFA in Japan. That leaves approximately 160,000 Guardian nodes that are available to everyone else. There's currently over 1 million users engaging with Mawari's platform, contributing to a network that delivers immersive digital experiences like AR and VR. Previously, Mawari offered XR chips, which are unique digital credentials that let early users engage with the ecosystem and earn rewards through activities. With that phase now closed, the DIO is the next step, powering real-time 3D and AI-driven apps for over 50 projects. At the end of the day, why does all of this even matter? Well, immersive tech like AR and VR needs fast, reliable, and distributed computing power, and Mawari's Deepin network delivers that on a global scale. Guardian nodes are the foundation, actively monitoring streaming quality and uptime to keep the network running smoothly. The DIO offers a way to join the ecosystem, contributing to its infrastructure and earning rewards for real work. If you're interested, check your eligibility at nodes.mawari.net. And if you're in the US, visit Republic's platform. Use the discount code FireHustle for 5% off node licenses while they're available. All the links you need are down below. So with all that being said, what's my take on Mawari? Well, in terms of the top narratives of this bull run, it's spot on. It's a calculated play in the AI, Deepin, and XR space. They've been hustling for a long time and have had strong venture capital investors on board from the start. But what stood out the most is the fact that they already have customers and proven demand. And it's not just random companies that you've never heard of. These are big brands. I've participated in a lot of node projects myself, and this is one of the few where it's well structured and you start making an impact on the network from day one. In this strong crypto market, with AI at the forefront and regulatory clarity boosting adoption, Mawari is positioned for strength in this niche. This is definitely a project to keep on your radar. As always, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational purposes only. Crypto is high risk. Do your own research, understand the volatility, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If this video brought you value, drop a like, subscribe for more deep dives, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, stay hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.